Welcome back to this week's video. I'm Grace and this is Ella, and this week we'll be talking about Access York. We wanted to provide a list of other organizations for our patients to use in case they need any further assistance. If you don't live in York Region, please check out with your region for similar programs in your area.
Access York is York Region's contact center that provides information, referrals, and application processes for York Region's programs and services.
Access York provides many services for those in need. Today we will be focusing on the programs that they provide support for housing costs, food access, and childcare. Access York supports those who are homeless or at risk of homelessness who are not receiving Ontario Works or the Ontario Disability Program benefits who need support with stabilizing their housing. This program is called the Homelessness Prevention Program.
The Homelessness Prevention Program helps cover the costs such as first and last month's rent, rental and utility arrears, utility security deposit, utility reconnection fees, moving costs, assistance with mortgage payments or arrears, replacement costs for identification, compensation for urgent medical needs, and landlord and tenant mediation.
To be eligible to apply, you must be a resident of York Region, not be receiving Ontario Works or Ontario Disability Support Program benefits, be a Canadian citizen, either a permanent resident or a refugee, verify being under threat of losing housing, utility service disconnection, or are homeless or living in temporary housing or shelter. Your total housing costs must be sustainable when compared to your monthly income and have a household income equal to or less than below.
To apply, call Access York and they will make an appointment with their service provider who will provide financial assistance and support to eligible residents. Follow-up support will be given 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months after receiving the benefits from this program.
Access York also provides a program called the Housing Stability Program. This program is for people who are receiving Ontario Works and the Ontario Disability Support Program who are behind on paying their rent, mortgage, and utility payments. Please note, for this payment, you can only receive support once every 3 years.
People can get support from the Housing Stability Program for preventing a utility cutoff, preventing an eviction due to unpaid rent, last month's rent deposit, moving and storage costs, utility deposits and reconnection costs, and household items. Follow-up support will be provided to you 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months after receiving benefits from this program.
To be eligible for the Housing Stability Program, you must live in York Region, be homeless or at risk of homelessness, receive assistance from Ontario Works or the Ontario Disability Support Program, and have not received benefits from this program within the last 3 years.
Another service that Access York provides is a homemaker service. This service is for those living in York Region who have a temporary or permanent disability or illness and who need help covering the costs of an in-home homemaker. Homemakers can help with meals, laundry, and light housework. To be eligible for the homemaker service, you must have a temporary or permanent illness or disability and meet the financial need requirements.
Access York encourages those who are struggling with food access and insecurity to check out the resources they have posted on their website. These resources include the Good Food Box, which is available to all York Region residents. Customers order and receive a box of affordable fresh fruits and vegetables each month, available for pickup from the York Region Food Network and satellite sites. They also have the community kitchens, which are places where people can gather to cook healthy meals together, learn new food skills, and make connections with others. These programs are available to all York Region residents at a no or low cost. They also provide a list of different food banks across York Region, where residents can go to a local food bank to access food that is free of charge.
If you are a parent to a child with a life-threatening illness, but you have other dependents, Access York has a child care fee subsidy program that helps cover the costs of a licensed child care for children under the age of 13. If you have one child in treatment, and you have other dependents that need somewhere safe, then this program may be beneficial for you.
This is available to support the cost of full-day daycare for infants, toddlers, and preschool-age children. Families with children ages 4 to 12 who are eligible for the fee subsidy program can help cover the cost for before and after school program on instructional days, care during PA days, and during breaks when the children are enrolled year-round.
This is a first-come, first-served program, and priority is given to families who meet priority consideration, such as when the health and well-being of the child is at risk, and you have an income at or below the limits.
To be eligible to apply, families must be living in York Region, have children younger than 13 years of age, file their income tax return every year, and meet the financial eligibility requirements of the provincial income test. Additionally, parents and caregivers must need to have a need for childcare due to being employed, attending an educational or training program, have an exceptional circumstance for the parent or child, such as a physical or social or emotional need that requires the children to be in childcare. It is important to note that you will need a doctor's note from your healthcare provider detailing your situation if you want to put your child in childcare. If you have one child who lives with a life-threatening illness, then you could put your other child in childcare through this program, but a doctor's note is required. Please visit the link below for an application. Please pause here to read through the childcare fee subsidy application process.
If you have any further questions, you can contact Access York directly using the number and email below.
Additionally, if you want to get in contact with us for any reason, you can call or email us at any time. Thank you again for watching, and please stay tuned for next week.